All right, so your question to me is, what's the hardest part in a trailer build or a van build? And
most difficult part is cramming a house into a small space.
It can vary across a number of things depending on the frame.
Nothing is square.
I would say just getting through the design process. There's so many options out there nowadays.
There's nothing hard about this. I don't know what everybody's complaining about.
Condition, the frame restoration can be kind of challenging, and then
definitely trying to figure out how to fit in a shower or bathroom.
You're just inundated with different design options.
You know, lining it all up.
just dialing in all of the details.
Getting through that design process can be pretty overwhelming for a lot of people.
The friction points are just some of those aftermarket parts that you put on.
Wait, will you say the question again?
Like trying to figure it all out in the beginning.
For the actual build out itself and getting all that coordinated.
There's so many different accounts, websites, different builders, and people with their own sites that are doing stuff.
And then one of the more unnecessarily tricky things is the roof racks. Between the factory roof rails or installing roof rails and then actually putting the roof rails on is kind of one of the trickier things just because of how they're designed on the front end.
A lot of people want to start, you know, and just kind of roll with the punches, but it's really a good idea to have a plan in place first and start there.
Just even narrowing everything down to what's going to be your own, like, fit, form, and function of the layout that's going to work for you can be kind of daunting, you know, besides the fact that you got to fit all that stuff into a tiny space, but yeah.
Other than that, it's all pretty straightforward, electrical, plumbing, usually not too hard.
there's nothing hard. It's easy.